Have you ever wondered why you tend to leave a relationship at the first sight of conflict? In this video, we will explore what modern psychodynamic theories and supporting research evidence say about the importance of conflicts in our ability to grow, live, and love. Imagine two moms, Dana and Kiara, with different parenting styles. Dana is a perfectionist. She devotes 100% to a 3-year-old boy, Adam. She ensures her baby does not experience any distress since birth. Whenever Adam throws a tantrum, Dana feels immense guilt and shame as a mother. She copes by overindulging in his needs to avoid future tantrums. When he is frustrated with difficulty, Dana rushes to solve it for him. Dana actively avoids conflict with her son and does not believe in her ability to resolve with Adam. Kiara is similarly devoted to providing 100% of her son John's needs in his early infancy. But as John gets older, Kiara slowly allows him to figure out problems independently. Kiara is able to tolerate her son's tantrums. Sometimes she hugs him for comfort, and sometimes she sets appropriate limits. There are times Kiara and her son disagree with each other, but they are able to make up afterwards. The main difference between the two parents is that while Dana has an underlying fear of tolerating mistakes, Kiara seems to accept that conflicts and reparations as part of relationship with her son. So, what are the consequences of each parenting style? Child psychoanalyst Dr. Winnicott was among the first to suggest that allowing children to experience frustration appropriate to their age is essential to developing their sense of self. Winnicott realized that infants are extremely vulnerable until about 10 weeks old, and they require 100% effort from parents to meet their needs. Many mothers naturally devote all their energies to caring for their babies in those fragile times. This phase is essential to create a sense of safety by allowing an infant to live in an illusion that any wish he has will magically happen. However, this perfect attunement is temporary. As the baby grows, the mom will inevitably fail to meet every aspect of his needs. She may no longer be always patient and may miss attending to the baby's cries immediately. Yet, she is still empathetic and caring. She is far from perfect, but she is good enough. She makes mistakes in her parenting, but she is able to tolerate the child's anger and frustration and make amends with her child. Winnicott stated that through the experience of conflicts with mom, the baby learns that mom is neither good nor bad, but is a separate and independent person who does not always follow his wishes. This letting go of magical thinking is essential in the child's ability to regulate his emotions and form lasting relationships. In other words, a good enough mother naturally lets the infant remove his training wheel to tackle the demands of reality. Winnicott's theory of goodenoughmother underscores the inevitability of mistakes in parenting, as well as their importance for child's development. Winnicott's theory is further supported by current research evidence. We all have this preconceived image of a mom back and forth interacting with her baby, giggling, smiling, and touching each other. However, researcher at Tronick has shown that the frequency of such perfect attunement is less common than we initially thought. It turns out that even in healthy relationships, moms and babies are in sync only about 30% of the time. About 70% of the time, moms and babies are in mismatch, stepping on each other's toes, frustrating one another, and most importantly, trying to repair the conflict in their relationships. What Tronick's research taught us is that normal infant development is filled with many errors and repairs in their relationships with caregivers. Through reparations, caregivers create safety and instill a sense of confidence to tolerate the reality of messiness in relationships later in life. Most importantly, children learn an important lesson that a relationship can continue even with the conflicts. In our previous examples, Dana's son, Adam, did not go through the adequate experience of walking through conflict and reparations with his mom. Later in school, Adam struggled socially, as he was quick to get angry and stop talking to his friends when faced with disagreements. He also had difficulty in academics, as he got easily frustrated and gave up on difficult lessons. When Adam started dating, he avoided conflict in relationships by either keeping secrets about his needs or breaking up the relationship at the sight of slight discord. Adam was often dissatisfied with his relationships and chronically feels empty. In contrast, Kiara's son, John, was raised with the value of walking through conflicts. He was able to control his emotions better and tolerate higher frustration. In school, he may not be the most popular student, but his friends respected his loyalty and maturity. Also, John seems to feel safe around authority and did not hesitate to reach out to his teachers for help. Later, when John started dating, he saw conflicts with his partner as an opportunity to be closer rather than an excuse to end the relationship. John's relationships with his loved ones were not perfect, but good enough. John noticed how working through conflicts allowed him to discover new facets about his friends and families, further promoting intimacy. In summary, Winnicott and Tronick underscored the importance of reparations in development of children's psyche, emotional regulation, and resilience. However, the implications of the theories extend beyond infant development. Both suggest that perfect harmony should not be a hallmark of a healthy relationship. Human interactions are inherently messy, complicated, and filled with mistakes. Thus, instead of striving for a perfect relationship, we should aim to be good enough. In a good enough and safe relationship, working through conflicts can be an opportunity for growth, healing, and intimacy.
Okay, that's good enough for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this topic helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more topics in our future videos. Also, let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover. And as always, have a great day and we'll catch you in the next video.